Hello and welcome to Apicbase integration with Caspeco. This video will show you how the integration works and what the benefits are. To start off, let's briefly go over what Apicbase is. Apicbase is one platform to manage all kitchen operations. As you can see in this image, this means we streamline everything from menu engineering, procurement and inventory management to production planning, traceability and food cost analytics. The goal is to automate and simplify as much as possible to boost profitability and lower the manual workload. To make this possible, the partnership with Caspeco plays an important role. How? Let us show you. It all starts with our recipe management and its seamless link to your PLUs. This connection ensures that whenever a dish is sold via Caspeco, Apicbase automatically takes every ingredient behind the recipe out of the inventory, and that down to the gram of the ingredient and in real time. This automated process ensures exact stock management by averting shortages and inventory surplus situations. Connecting sales data to inventory naturally leads to the question of procurement. As Apicbase monitors live inventory levels on the sales data provided by Caspeco, Apicbase can generate automatic orders and send them to suppliers with just one click. On top of that, we can also predict future needs based on data analytics and help order accordingly. The result? Error-proof, streamlined, and efficient procurement. This seamless connection between sales data, recipes, inventory management, and procurement leads to enhanced data analytics. The valuable insights are visualized in our automated dashboards. The charts and graphs make it easy to understand trends and patterns. Real-time data monitoring enables you to track KPIs and make informed decisions quickly. As an example, this can be used for smart product development, because now you quickly discover which dishes are profitable and which are draining your margins, meaning that menus can be optimized based on actual ingredient cost and dish popularity. Overall, this enhances the understanding of your data and enables data-driven decision-making. This is why connecting Caspeco with Apicbase creates a powerful partnership that benefits our mutual customers.